The exam paper leak. Just a week before the final examination, students at Sunrise College were busy revising their lesson. They had spent months preparing, sacrificing weekend and holidays to achieve good marks. 2 days before the exams, rumor began spreading on social media that the question paper had been leaked. At first, many students refused to believe the news. However, when the authorities announced that the exam had been cancelled due to suspected paper leak, disappointment spread across the campus. Honest students felt frustrated because their hard work had been affected by the action of the few people. A group of students decided to organize a peaceful protest inside the college campus. They carried placards with messages such as fair exams, fair future, and protect future students. A group of students decided to organize a peaceful protest inside the college campus. They carried placards with messages such as fair exam, fair future, and protect students. Hard work. Instead of creating chaos, they submitted a written request asking for a transparent investigation, strong security measure, and new examination date as soon as possible. The college administration met with student representative and assured them that the matter would be investigated thoroughly. They also promised to improve the security of future examination and keep students informed about every decision. Although the situation was stressful, the students chose to stand up for fairness while remaining respectful. They believe that trust in the examination system is essential because every student future depends on honest evaluation. The experience taught them that the raising concern peaceful and responsibly can bring about positive change. They also learned the integrity is more valuable than achieving success through unfair means. So the advanced vocabulary that we have learned in the paragraph are, the first one is integrity, means ईमानदार और नैतिकता, the quality of being honest or having strong moral principle. The next one is transparency, pardarshita, being open and clear in action and decision. Next one is accountability, jawabdehi, being responsible for one's action. The next, credibility, vishwasaniyata, the quality of being trusted or believed. The next one is investigation, means janch, the process of finding facts about an incident. Idiom that we have learned in the paragraph are stand up for, किसी बात का समर्थन करना, टू डिफेंड और सपोर्ट समथिंग. नेक्स्ट इज प्ले बाय द रूल्स, नियमों का पालन करना, टू एक्ट फेयरली एंड ऑनेस्टली. नेक्स्ट इज रेज योर वॉइस, अपनी बात रखना, टू एक्सप्रेस योर ओपिनियन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इन द लॉन्ग रन, लंबे समय में, ओवर लॉन्ग पीरियड. इज ऑन द सेम पेज, एक मत होना, टू अग्री ऑन अ कॉमन गोल. द फ्रेजल वर्ब that we have learned in the paragraph are, the first one is bring about, बदलाव लाना, to cause a change. The next, carry out, पूरा करना या अमल में लाना, to perform or conduct. Next one is speak up, खुलकर अपनी बात कहना, to express your opinion confidently.